or welcome back to my channel. Back with another video. Another, of course, protective style, jumbo box braids, like an ombre color. Absolutely loving these braids. I did get this hair a long time ago. It was sent to me by an Amazon seller. I just never got around to using it. This is what package looks like. I will link the information for this hair in the description box. Let me just show you what it looks like right out of the package. It did come with 8 bundles. And this is what the bundle looks like. Absolutely love this ombre color. Super cute. So this is not the French curl hair that I'm used to using. However, I did curl the ends, so I will be showing you exactly how I did that. And I will also be showing you a bonus style, so make sure you stay tuned to the end. Keep on watching. So I'm gonna show you exactly what I did to achieve this look, and then we're gonna get into look number 2. Let's give you a quick 360. They are pretty long. These have been up for a week and a half now. I've been so late with getting these intros and outros done. I did have to refresh the curls at the end after about 5 days maybe. So I've only refreshed the curls once in this a week and a half, but the braids are looking good still. I did use the rubber band crochet method. So let's get into exactly what I did to achieve this look. Keep on watching. It is extremely hot, and these long braids can get a little hot. So if you are looking for a style like this and you want to switch it up, my favorite switch up right now is to do the barrel twist at the end, or barrel the ends. So that is what we are going to do. So I'm going to show you exactly how I do that. So all I do is take the braid and I put it to where I want the braids to stop at. So I'm going to stop here, maybe up a little bit further, more like bob length. So we're going to stop about here, bob length, fold the hair there. Then I'm going to take this extra piece of hair and I'm just going to start wrapping it around and then holding it with my finger there. So just taking it, wrapping it around. Even the loose piece at the end. So I wrap it going up and then wrap it back down. And then because this is braiding hair and not like Marley hair or spring twist hair, I am gonna add a rubber band at the end just so that it stays. So let me grab my rubber band. Right, so here is the rubber band. So I'm just wrapping the rubber band around a few times, making sure that it's secure. Pull down a bit, and there you have it. Little barrel twist at the end. So you go from the long braids to like a bob length look. So I'm gonna show you one more, and then I'll come back with the finished look.